Your business needs more than just travel. It needs transformation. That's what Tibro delivers. Tailored industrial exposure tours that blend discovery and growth. With immersive factory tours, unveiling cutting-edge operations, engagement sessions with industry leaders, sharing insights that spark innovation. Opportunities to collaborate, forging partnerships that drive your vision forward. And dedicated B2B meeting spaces, where deals are made and networks expand. Watch as business owners light up, eyes widening at breakthroughs, handshakes sealing alliances, teams inspired by real-world excellence. Tibro opens doors worldwide, from China and Japan to Australia, Germany, Korea, Singapore, UAE, and many more. Unlocking collaborative ventures and strategic business opportunities, turning trips into triumphs. Our process ensures perfection. We understand your objectives, finalize destinations and itineraries, map learning experiences to your goals, then confirm and execute seamlessly. Trusted by industry leaders like BIA, Yes, Masia, Codicia, Tatma, AIPMA. Ready to elevate your enterprise? Design your industrial exposure knowledge tour with Tibro today.